Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix we have detected unusual activity on the account you are trying to access. So guys, if you're trying to sign in your Google account in your device and you are unable to sign in your Google account, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, the very first solution for this problem is that you have to make it sure that there is no third-party app in your device. So guys, if there is any third-party app installed in your device, you have to simply remove it. So guys, the second solution for this problem is that you have to make it sure that there is no connected VPN on your device. So guys, if there is any connected VPN, you have to simply disconnect that VPN and then try again, and if the problem is still there, you have to simply forget your password for one time and then you have to reset your password for your Google account again. So for that you have to simply go back to your home screen and search here for Google, and now you have to add your account here. So I tap on add another account which you are trying right now, and now tap on this box and enter your email address. And after this, tap on continue, and now you have to tap on try another way from here. So I tap on this, and after this you have to tap on get help from here, and now you have to simply tap on get a notification code. So as you can select your email address or your phone number to get a verification code on your device. So once you get the verification code, after this you will be able to reset the password for your Google account, and after this your Google account will be opened. So that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.